If you're looking to maximize profits on your farm, whether it's a small backyard operation or a large commercial enterprise, choosing the right turkey breed is absolutely essential. Turkeys aren't just about delicious holiday meals. They're a valuable source of income for farmers around the world. But not all turkey breeds are created equal. Some grow faster, some lay more eggs, and some command premium prices in the market. Today, we'll be diving into the top 5 most profitable turkey breeds for both small and large farms. Whether you're just starting out or thinking about expanding your turkey business, Smart Agri Hub has you covered with expert insights and practical advice. Let's start by understanding what makes a turkey breed profitable. Profitability isn't just about how much meat the bird produces. It's about growth rate, feed conversion efficiency, disease resistance, market demand, and sometimes even egg production or unique features that attract niche buyers. By focusing on these criteria, you can ensure your flock contributes to a healthy bottom line. Now let's get into the countdown of the top 5 most profitable turkey breeds and discover which ones could be the best fit for your farm. At number 5, we have the White Holland. Renowned for its striking white plumage and calm temperament, the White Holland is a historic breed that's still popular among small and medium-sized farms. What sets the White Holland apart is its adaptability. These turkeys are highly resilient, capable of thriving in various climates, and they require less intensive management compared to some commercial breeds. The White Holland produces a high-quality carcass with tender meat, and its white feathers make for an attractive, clean appearance after processing, an important factor for buyers in high-end markets. While not the fastest-growing breed on our list, the White Holland offers steady returns, especially for farmers selling directly to local consumers or specialty retailers. Its moderate size, typically reaching market weight in about 5 to 6 months, makes it an ideal choice for seasonal sales around Thanksgiving and Christmas. Moreover, its relatively low feed requirements help keep costs down, ensuring a solid profit margin even for smaller operations. Coming in at number 4 is the Royal Palm. If you're interested in diversifying your product offerings, the Royal Palm is an excellent breed to consider. With its show-stopping black and white plumage, the Royal Palm is often favored by niche markets, organic farms, and even hobbyists. Though smaller than some commercial breeds, averaging around 10 to 16 pounds at maturity, the Royal Palm is celebrated for its lean, flavorful meat and remarkable foraging abilities. This breed excels in free-range systems, reducing feed costs and offering customers a premium, pasture-raised product. Additionally, Royal Palm turkeys are active, hardy, and relatively disease-resistant, minimizing losses and veterinary expenses. Their unique appearance also makes them popular for exhibitions and specialty events, allowing farmers to tap into alternative income streams. If you're targeting farmers markets, gourmet shops, or health-conscious consumers, the Royal Palm can command impressive prices per bird, making it a smart choice for farms looking to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Our number 3 spot goes to the Bourbon Red. This heritage breed combines profitability with sustainability, making it a favorite among both small-scale producers and larger operations focused on premium products. Originating in Kentucky, the Bourbon Red is instantly recognizable by its deep chestnut feathers and white accents. These turkeys are not only visually stunning, but also highly productive. Bourbon Reds reach market weight in about 24 to 28 weeks, with toms averaging around 23 pounds and hens about 14 pounds. Their meat is prized for its rich flavor and fine texture, often commanding top prices among chefs and foodies. What really sets the Bourbon Red apart is its adaptability. These birds are excellent foragers, thriving in pasture-based systems and requiring less commercial feed. This translates to lower input costs and higher profit margins for farmers. Additionally, Bourbon Reds are known for their strong maternal instincts, which means higher hatch rates and easier flock maintenance. If you're looking to produce specialty, organic, or heritage turkeys, the Bourbon Red is a smart, profitable choice, especially for farms aiming to build a reputation for quality. At number 2, we have the broad-breasted bronze. This breed is the workhorse of commercial turkey production and a mainstay on large farms across the globe. Broad-breasted bronze turkeys are valued for their rapid growth, impressive size, and efficient feed-to-meat conversion. Toms can reach weights up to 30 pounds or more in just 4 to 5 months, making them ideal for high-volume production and large-scale processing. Their meat is succulent and widely preferred in mainstream markets, ensuring steady demand from supermarkets, restaurants, and distributors. The broad-breasted bronze combines high yield with robust health, minimizing losses due to disease or poor development. While these turkeys are best suited to intensive management systems, advances in husbandry mean they can also adapt to semi-free-range environments. For farmers looking to scale up quickly and meet the needs of major buyers, the broad-breasted bronze is a top choice. Its profitability stems from both its sheer size and the efficiency with which it converts feed into saleable meat, maximizing revenue per bird. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is the broad-breasted white. This breed dominates the global turkey industry and is the undisputed champion of profitability for farms of all sizes. The broad-breasted white is specifically bred for rapid growth, large size, and exceptional meat yield. Toms routinely reach market weights of 38 pounds or more in less than 5 months, while hens average around 20 pounds. Their broad breasts provide more white meat, which is in highest demand among consumers. What makes the broad-breasted white truly stand out is its efficiency. These turkeys convert feed to body weight at a rate unmatched by any other breed. Their pure white feathers also make them easier to process and more appealing in supermarket displays. Because of their uniform growth and consistent quality, broad-breasted whites are the backbone of large commercial operations, but they're also increasingly being used by small farms looking to boost returns. With strong market demand, low production costs, and proven performance, investing in broad-breasted whites is a sure way to maximize profits, whether you're raising a handful of birds or thousands. So, how do you choose the right breed for your farm? Start by considering your scale of production, your available resources, and your target market. If you're running a small, diversified farm, heritage breeds like the Bourbon Red, Royal Palm, or White Holland offer excellent returns and access to specialty markets. For large farms focused on volume and efficiency, the broad-breasted bronze and broad-breasted white are unbeatable. Don't forget to factor in local preferences, climate, and feed availability. By matching the breed to your business goals, you'll set yourself up for sustainable, long-term profitability. Remember, successful turkey farming isn't just about the breed. It's about quality care, smart management, and understanding your customers. Invest in good housing, proper nutrition, and disease prevention, and you'll see your flock thrive year after year. The right turkey breed can make all the difference, turning your farm into a reliable source of income and a leader in your community. Thanks for joining us at Smart Agri Hub. If you found this guide useful, be sure to subscribe for more expert farming tips, breed reviews, and practical advice to make your agribusiness smarter and more successful. Happy turkey farming!